Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable two-step verification on the WhatsApp application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, then tap on the settings button down below on the right side corner of the screen, and then click on account. Tap on the second option, two-step verification, and click on turn on to create a 6-digit PIN code that you can remember. Then you should confirm it by re-entering your PIN code. Add your email address, but you can also skip it by tapping on the skip email button down below. As you can see, it is being enabled. And now it is set. If you want to, you can turn it off, change your PIN, or add your email address to it. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.